Alright. We're trying to get up early today, so we could maybe take a drive down to some waterfalls before work. I don't want to get up. Yeah, we heard you the first time. I got too hot last night. Some au natural. I guess I'll turn the camera off. See you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, I got you on a little tripod on my phone. You're probably gonna fall over. See how it holds up. I don't know how people film themselves. I might actually, maybe if I use that clamp thing. Let's see. You guys are gonna be mounted right there. Let's try that. Turn the GoPro on. Let's see how you guys hold up. Let's hit the road. I think we're good. Look at that. You guys, it's cloudy. It's not as nice as it was the other day. It's still beautiful. A little bit rough. Not terrible. They tried to plow. It looks like fairly good. Glad I got these all-terrain tires. That will help a lot. I might need to stop and grab a bottle of water. Yes, perfect. Aquafina, my favorite. I am not advertising, but I like the Aquafina. It is my favorite tasting water on the road. I am French Canadian. I probably messed this up because I am not French. If anybody French watch this, let me know how I do with my accent. Better watch where I'm going. Waterfall. Let's see. I don't have you on a gimbal right now, so you got the bumpy walking. Here's the waterfall. Frozen water. Beautiful. Let's keep moving. Okay. We're here. Oh, yeah, right here. When we walk into there, yeah, looks like it. Okay. See you out there. That is cool. All right. Well, so we're in Canada, eh? Oh yeah, Moosey. Hey? What are you doing, Moosey? Go on, Moosey Poo.